Hi Corda, so a nov big migdart live Marial on guest inishdom food fein. This is a fantastic question to get asked in the start of your oral, and it really lets you put down a marker as to and to set out your stall for the examiner, and to set the examiner up nicely to give them ideas and hints as to what they could ask you from here on out. So the topics that I'll be covering today is Cadasanam dit, Ken issue, Autumn will to the Honey, piece of Bileog meall shin, méid Dina to the clown, Cowell to id the clown, Ken says dinner to, agus Ken vleen in a will to. So in nov Cadasanam dit Ken issue, so X is anam dum, Seamus is anam dum, Ivan is anam dum, nu is Misha Seamus, is Misha Ivan. Tom Schacht, Ocht, nu ne mlene deg dish. Be really careful here that you can hear the M before the B and shin. Mlene deg dish. Again, the examiner will be looking out for this. Cowell to the Honey. So I have highlighted some bits and pieces here for you. Ach time ima Honey I plus aru I gilvachalog sanenach I gala and troig. So san would be specific for Enach, gil vicalog, so this will be normal for most people, or in front of a in front of a word starting on a gota. Tá sé site sna brochfáil tíar imar le charach, so just piece of beag an sin, and má hasíú tíir chuirsias níos mó a thuirt is áit ciún hiáanta nu gnóthach I. Again, oit is feminine, so therefore it puts a H on the adjective that comes directly afterwards. Lunhe muifwin tua, nu imroch falje sitte ilimnach. Kivéid atá the clown, Cowell to id the clown. So tá Bert Trur Capra Quiger Shesher Schachter, you're using Ivrica Parsentan, so that is really távachtach. Ma clown, ma bháthar sanóibh, mahar sanóibh, ma hismóirí sanóibh. Is misha an páiste is óige is sinne, an dara dinne is óige is sinne. Nu tagim I lár buil. In éach lei sin is fid latsa rá is páiste éonar me. I am an only child, is páiste éonar me. Tá dre hair nu dre fuair bháin agam, dre hair bháin agus Bert chre fuaracha. Bert you put in Bert puts in a H, and you will always say acha ag an dere. Bert chre hairacha an sin mar hampla. Ma tá trúr an, tá trúr dre hairacha agam. It is important also to list out the ages, as this gives an understanding to the examiner what stage of life they're at and what your responsibility and your role in your family is. I have the rules of blian inaka le sha. You can then bring in is a Sean and then it is oige and then it is shine satilach. Is misha and then it is oige is shine satilach. Cadatá á dhéanamh ag na daoine eile sa clown, so this is a nice one to have learned off as well. So tá Patrick an munscoil nu sa bhunscoil, tá Stephen an meanscoil nu sa bhanscoil nu sa scoil seo, or beidir gwyl drahar agat sa an ulscoil nu drefuair nu ag freastal an galáiste. Is something a ma yad, is something I ma vam. Nu beidir gwyl de grahar nu de grefuair ag obair chuma. Ma hastíúilte is fid leat a stop a chur an bhíseán inis, agus tá neart samplaí de fostanna ann. An réitíonn tú le the clown, so tá bailí difriúla chun é sin rá, so réitíam ní réitíam le ma clown. I don't get on, or I do get on well with my family. Again, ma puts in a H on all of those words. There's nice endings here, choma ag an te vele de, den cuid is mód an am an taumar fad, an ishes a rísh nuair nach míonn siad ag chuirteach when they aren't annoying me. Tá mór galore le ma clown. I get on really well, or I'm really affectionate with my family, and that would be das le rá choma. So fragra sampplach an sin ré tíam go máil load an cuid is mód an am ach anis is rís bíonn siad chuirteach orm. So sometimes they annoy me. Cuir an ex beidir gúil dra agat agus tá sé níos óige ná tú, so cuireann sé isteach orm ó am go ham mar bíonn sé nu sí páistúil childish. Bíam iad ag aragón fí rudí amadacha anis is a ríist. Nú chun an éar na rá táim mór go leor le mo hisismóirí so get an mal with mar bíonn siad récúiseach agus tiiscinach. Récúiseach, laid back, tiiscinach, understanding. Tugann siad sprag agus muladómig only. They always give me encouragement and praise. Bíam ag aragónt le mo bháthar and is rís mar cuireann si go leor brú orm ó thaobh na scoile de, so she puts pressure on me because of school. Now, tá samplaí deasa eile an sa ar an sláán an sa, má hasúnú sé is féidir leat an fhíseán a stoppa agus iad a bhreacha síos. Comá tá frásí eile atá go deas an seo. Sílan gacíon gur a bí a chlán féin is deise sa chuil. That's go deas, nú tuigeann taigín, so tá samplaí an sin de seanachal a bheith úsáidach. Agus deire tá cúpla frás eile an sin le feiceáil. Édíochtaí an sin, tá édíochtaí anatáchtach an sa chomá chun chur síos íonar bhar na daoine tá de chlán tú féin agus do grathairacha drefuaracha de hisismóirí. So tá neart samplaí an sin, so má heastíon óid se stoppa chur ar an bhíseán inis chun féachant ar thuisiúd. Adjective stacking, ag an buinte seo, I'll just speak mar jawl adjective stacking, so try and get into the habit of using 3 adjectives to describe something. It's called real and tree, and it really shows off to the examiner that you have multiple ways of saying the same thing or describing one thing. So as an example of that, come out would be Istina Harava Digrashach Kaintach agus Sportul me. Examiners love hearing the adjective stacked in this way. On couple, so you will be using the couple a lot in this section. Istina something may nu a nu e. So istina chaintach may, istina ground for a mogrehar, istina klishte e mogrefur. Istina x muid nu iad. Be careful there, the adjective has to go into the plural, and if you're not sure, check. Okay, so for example, og would go to oga. Dirter is a nice way to bring in what you think you might be able to describe, what you might be able to describe yourself with. Dirter go willem, or darla macharda, or derma hishmori. So my parents say, according to my friends, or it is said, go willem, that I am. Mar deran chanachal ni hitan antul ivad unground. So digano deram limo chalti ma tashid kosula tishmahor mar hample is fedalat ro dirter go willem kantlach and ishis reached tom anachosula ma hishmahori svalach shin and mara hit deran chanachal ni hitan antul ivad unground. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Dirter gordina x y nu z me. Agus dera cín bhlín anúil tú tá im líana sé, or in addition rás fedalat rá faoi láthair tá mé go lehúd an ard teist, or tá mé man na hard teiste faoi láthair is bailach deas is sin a rá agus tógan tú an tiisiil gine dachas an sin comá. Tá súla gom greibh sé sin cabhrach ganarí go geal libh leis.